Hey guys, this is Sanitya and welcome to the fifth tutorial of XHTML and CSS. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about the links. Yes, we already talked about the links in the previous tutorial. In the previous tutorial we talk about how to link a website or a file on a page. But in this tutorial we are going to talk about the how to link a same page. Yeah, it sounds stupid, but trust me, it really works. Actually it's pretty much helpful for those who have a very long website like this. So it actually prevents the user to scroll down to find a stuff that what he actually wants. It saves a lot of time of a user. So let's do it. That's how it works. Okay, so let me talk. Okay, I just took this header, suspension system 4. Okay, so between these header put the anchor tags. Okay, so we are not going to put anything between these tags because it's not a link, it's just a destination. So for the destination we just have to write an attribute that is a name equals to and whatever name you want to give. So for this content I give the name 4. Okay, so let's move on to the top of the page and wherever you want. So let's make a link here and anchor tags. Okay, and here as you already know that how to link something, so we just need an attribute called href equals to, and here are small changes that instead of the file name you have to type a pound sign and the name that you have given to a content. That is, here I given the name 4, so I just type a name 4 and let's save this. And okay, I just forget something. Here I have to give the name as well to the anchors. So let me suspension system 4, I guess. Okay, so I give a name that it is basically a piece of text actually which convert into a link. Let's save this and find out what will happen. Okay, here a link, and when I click on this it directly opens this suspension system 4. Again, when I click on this it's gonna pop up or directly scroll down to a suspension system 4. Let's do this for all the content. So let's copy this to save some time. Here we have okay, so let me change my name and 6 R7. Okay, so we also need a destination, so let's copy this and save and paste it. Okay, here name as 5. Okay, let's paste and name as 6. Okay, also here as well and name as 7. Okay, Okay. Changes as well. Some changes. Okay, so let's save this and see does it work or not. Okay, so here all the links for all the content. So let's click on the suspension system 7. So it directly scroll down to the suspension system 7. Okay, so let's click on the suspension system 3. So it directly scroll down to the suspension system 3. Okay, so thank you. So that's all for the today's tutorial, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.